To get the slide sheet into position, first you need to roll the service user onto their side. Push the slide sheet into place behind their back and then roll the service user onto their opposite side. Smooth out the slide sheet, ensuring that there are no creases that might pinch or rub on the service user's skin. Once smoothed out, roll the service user onto their back. On the command ready, steady, slide the service user into position. Once in the correct position, roll the service user onto their side again and push the slide sheet through. Roll the service user onto their opposite side and then pull the remaining slide sheet out from underneath the service user, and then roll the service user onto their back.